We just had a client ask us if we can do an opal ring with octopus tentacles holding the stone.
I accept that challenge.
What challenge?
I did have a few opals in stock and we showed the client a few of the stones that we did have, and he actually picked this one out. It's a really nice stone, it's got a lot of color. So now we're just going to make a start on the ring.
It's murder on the dance floor, but you better not kill the groove, DJ. Gonna burn this goddamn house right down. Oh, I know about your kind. And so I'll have to play. If you think you're getting away, I will prove you wrong. I'll take you all the way. Boy, just come along. Hear me when I say, hey. It's murder on the dance floor, but you better not kill the groove. You better not steal the moves, DJ.
I was really happy with the way this looked, so I sent the client a quick video. We did think that the opal looked a little small, so we went back to our supplier and we got a bigger stone. So I'm just getting ready to make the adjustments. This is the opal we had in there, and this is the new opal that we've made the setting for, and we're going to get ready to put into the ring.
If you think you're getting away, I will prove you wrong. I'll take you all the way. Stay another song. I'll blow you all away. Hey. It's murder on the dance floor, but you better not kill the groove. Hey, it's murder on the dance floor, but you better not steal the moves, DJ. Gonna turn this house around somehow. Murder on the dance floor, but you better not kill the groove. Hey, it's murder on the dance floor, but you better not steal the moves, DJ. Gonna burn this goddamn house right down.
Check it out. A lot of work's gone into that. I'm pretty happy with it, and I can't wait to see what it looks like in silver. So what I've done so far is I've cleaned up the inside and made sure it's the correct finger size. Then I've added the 18 karat stamp on the outside, which I think looks pretty cool. And then we had to do something in the inside because there was a little bit of porosity and we had to hide that. So I've done something a little sneaky, which we're going to show you later on.
Steal the moves, DJ. Gonna burn this goddamn house right down. It's murder on the dance floor, but you better not kill the groove. Hey, it's murder on the dance floor, but you better not steal the moves, DJ. Gonna burn this goddamn house right down. It's murder on the dance floor, but you better not kill the groove. Hey, it's murder on the dance floor.
A lot of filing, a lot of sanding, but now we're ready to put it in the tumblers. So far we've sanded, we've polished, we've added the patina, then we've polished again, and now we're ready to set this thing.
We're gonna party forever. I wanna party with you. We're gonna party forever until the sun shines through. We're gonna party forever. I wanna party with you. We're gonna party together until the sun shines through. We live in two different worlds. We have our own separate lives. But when two minds come together, that's when things come alive. You got the moves, I got the grooves. You got the style, I like to choose. You got the house, I got the boat. You like the shoes, I like.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and remember, subscribe to the channel and check this video out right up here.
We live in two different worlds. We have our own separate